It is one thing for you to create an Amazon KDP account. It is another thing for you to get that account verified and protected. See, most times accounts do get hacked on Amazon KDP, so it's the more reason you need to verify your account. You need to protect your account so that you will not lose your account to hackers. Imagine having up to $500, $300, $1,000, or even more than that on your account, and all of a sudden it is being hacked. I know how you will feel. It's the more reason I'll be teaching you how to verify your account, how to protect your account so that you will not lose your account or lose money in it. So if this sounds interesting to you, I am urging you to watch this video from the beginning to the end and do well to subscribe. When you subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that when I drop another amazing video just like this one, you will be the first person to be notified. So without wasting much time, that reminds me, if you have a video request, leave it in the comments and I'll be so glad making a video explaining whatever thing you want to know to your understanding. So because I don't want this video to be very long, let me take you over to my Amazon KDP account where I am going to verify. Remember, I opened this account because of you. I opened this new account because of you. So let's go to my Amazon KDP. Let's verify together. Come with me, guys. This is the continuation of my other video. So please, if you've not seen it, kindly go and watch it, and I will link it to my end screen. So the video was on how you can open Amazon KDP account the right way. So if you're here with me, what you have to do at this stage is for you to click on your account. So you click on your account. Once you click on it, you wait a little. It will take you to another interface. So now it has brought us to this interface. This interface is saying enter verification code. So this verification code has been sent to our email. So that was why I told you guys, when opening an Amazon KDP account, please use your own email. So what I'll do at this point is this: I'll go to my mail and get the code. So guys, this is the code here. I have copied it. I'll take it back to that interface. So I am here. Then I'll fix the code here. I'll fix it. I'll fix the code here. So after fixing the code, what I'm going to do next is to click on submit code. So I'll just click on submit code. Once you click on submit code, it will scan this code. The code you entered is not valid. Please check. Okay, let me go back to my mail and check. I think they've sent another. Okay, this is it. I'll copy this one. Then I'll come back here. I'll fix it. Then click on submit code. So once you click on submit code, you can see it is rotating. Ensure that you put the right code. Once you put the right code, you see that it will take you to this interface. So now it is asking us for two-step verification. I know this is where some persons are always having issues. It is not asking us for two-step verification. Let me tell you something. You can see this place where it is telling us to put phone number. If you put your phone number, you'll be here for a very long time. I can say this again. If you put your phone number, you'll be here for a very long time. You will not be able to verify your account. So all you have to do at this stage is this: you come back to Amazon.com. So you come to your browser, you type Amazon.com. Once you type Amazon.com, it will bring you to this interface. This is the interface it will bring you to. So at this stage, let me zoom so that you can see. This is what you're supposed to do. This, if you check here, you will see your name. You see Hello Hutube. You see account and list. That is where you're supposed to click on. You click on it. Once you click on it, it has brought us here. It has brought us here where we have account orders and all of that. So you just click on an account. You understand? You click on account. Account is actually the first option there. Now, once you click on account, it will bring you to this interface. It will bring you to this interface. Once it brings you to this interface, this is what you're supposed to do next. You check it, you will see login and security. You will see login and security. So you click on login and security. Once you click on login and security, it will now bring you to this interface. It will bring you to this interface. So here you will see your name. In case you want to edit, you can actually edit. You see your name, you see your email, you see your primary phone number, you see passkeys, you see your password, you see two-step verification. You see two-step verification. So what you do at this point is for you to click on turn on this two-step verification. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this interface. It will bring you to this interface. So all you need at this point is Google Authenticator. All you need at this point is Google Authenticator. So once it brings you to this interface, this is what you should click on. This is what you should click on. So at this stage, I will click on it. Now that I have clicked on it, look at the interface it has brought out. So it has brought out this interface. At this stage, you minimize. You need your Google Authenticator. So in case you don't have it, please kindly visit your App Store or your Play Store. So this is what it looks like in case you've not seen it before. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this interface. I don't know if you can see my screen because it is actually dark. So at the right hand side, you will see a plus sign. At the right hand side, you will see a plus sign. Guys, truth be told, you need two devices for this. You need two devices. Like right now, I am making use of my phone and my laptop. So I have logged in my Amazon KDP on my laptop. Now my authenticator app is here in my phone. So what I'll do at this point is this: you will click on the plus sign at your right hand side. Once you click on the plus sign at your right hand side, you will see scan a QR code. That's the first thing you will see. Now the second thing you will see is enter a setup key. At this point, you are supposed to click on scan a QR code. So now I have clicked on it. Once you click on it, you use it to scan what you have just seen. So at this point, what I will now do is this: you will see codes. Codes will automatically be sent to you. So you put in those codes: 45561. So once you do that, you click on verify OTP. You need to be very fast. You need to be very fast with it. If you are not a fast person, please wait. When your siblings come visiting, you tell them to help you out. At this point, I am done scanning the code. Once you're done scanning the code, this is what it will look like. This is what you will see. Remember, I told you guys that you need two devices. See, you cannot do this thing with one device. You definitely need two devices. So you can get your brother's phone, you can get your sister's phone, but shall know that you need two devices. Next thing you will do is this: you say, got it, turn on to verification, turn on two-step verification. You click on it. You click on this turn on two-step verification. So can you now see that? Did you see that? Did you see you have turned on two-step verification? Let me take it closer so that you see it on my laptop. Can you see it? Now the next thing you see here is this. Can you see where my cursor is? Disabled. Can you see the disabled? I am not going to disable it because I have already enabled it. You understand? So this is how you should do it. This is how you should do your own. Go and get your sister's phone. Go and get your brother's phone. You cannot do it with one device. Yeah, I'm the one telling you, like, it's something I have done over and over again. Like, you cannot get it right with one device. So thank you so much for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video. I'll still drop another video. I'll drop a video on how you should put in your foreign account. So please look out for that video. It's the more reason I'm always telling you guys to subscribe, because I don't want people coming to drop comments, coming to drop questions on my comment section, yet you've not even turned on your notification bell, so that when I drop a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So please kindly subscribe, kindly turn on your notification bell, subscribe, so that you'll be seeing my videos. If you don't see my videos, how then will you proceed in this business? Thank you so much. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.